My name is John Erickson, represented by MKM, 6 foot, 170 pounds. I'm reading for the role of Ezekiel. Lana, she's not going to like you.
Who?
The killer.
We're checking on your whereabouts during the murders.
He loves you, you know. True love. She has no power against it. She's not programmed to understand love.
We have your brother, Rish. He says you have special powers and you knew that Lilith was coming. 4 women are dead.
The 5th woman? Not a Monday. Not 10 a.m. And she does not have a Hebrew letter tattooed on her foot. Am I your killer?
Your brother says you were not.
You should listen to him. He's named after a man with a lot of blood on his hands, who became a very righteous and revered rabbi.
You have the poison, a deep fetish with the Lilith, and the skeleton of your ex-wife in your basement.
My wife died of cancer. I have the right to keep her remains. If Julie hadn't interfered, my wife would have been cured. The poison was killing her cancer. Do you think I had a chance against the pharmaceutical companies? They all knew about my cure.
Who killed them?
The dark force.
What dark force?
There is a darkness in life. The same force that stops the healings. As long as we are greedy, they are here. And they won't stop.
They? I thought it's her.
The Lilith is the leader. She is not Eve.
Can she be stopped?
If we all transform, she'll have no